This video is about the basics of essays and essay writing. So what is an essay? An essay is a specific genre or type of writing. It's usually short, and a short piece of writing on a specific topic. Contains multiple paragraphs. It can be anywhere from a 3-paragraph essay to a 15-paragraph essay, for example. And it contains different norms or rules like any other genre. For example, the genre of poems uses certain norms or rules, and in a similar way, the genre of essay writing includes certain ideas or norms or rules. Going from a regular standalone paragraph to an essay, it looks like this. A regular paragraph has an introductory sentence or topic sentence. The middle part is called the body of a paragraph, and it includes supporting sentences, and then conclusion. And in total, a typical paragraph is approximately 6 to 8 sentences long. It can be a little longer, but that's about your typical paragraph. Then moving from a typical paragraph structure to an essay structure, you can see that the one sentence in the paragraph structure turns into a full introductory paragraph in the essay structure. So the essay contains the introductory paragraph, 3 or more, or even 2 or more body paragraphs, and then a concluding paragraph. And each body paragraph contains a topic sentence, which relates right back to the thesis statement. We'll get into that for the introductory paragraph. Some supporting sentences, and then a conclusion. And then the concluding paragraph is at the very end of the essay. We'll get into each of the components now. Or in a minute, sorry. So this is what an essay would look like. You have your title at the top, and you can see the important words, or the beginning of each important word is capitalized, and it's in the middle of the essay. And each paragraph of an essay is indented, and that means that there's space left at the very beginning of each paragraph. This is indented. And then it shows very clearly that this is one paragraph, this is another one, another one, another one, and the last one, or the 5th one. So there are different types of essays, including compare and contrast essay, narrative, descriptive, expository, analytical, personal, and even argumentative, which is also called persuasive. But every essay, no matter what type it is, always has an introductory paragraph, a variety of body paragraphs, and then a concluding paragraph. So let's look more specifically at each of these paragraphs and what they include. So the introductory paragraph includes a hook or attention grabber. That is usually 1, sometimes 2 sentences long, and its main purpose is to grab the attention of the reader, to make them want to read on. Then in the middle of an introductory paragraph, you have several sentences that provide context or background information about the topic of your essay. The last sentence of an introductory paragraph is the most important sentence in your entire essay, and that's the thesis statement. And the thesis statement contains your topic and what you're planning on discussing with your topic, so maybe your side or your position, and it also contains predictors typically. And the predictors predict or show you kind of a roadmap of the topics that will be covered in the following body paragraphs. In the body paragraphs, the main purpose of the body paragraphs is to provide strong support to strengthen your point or position that you've already stated in your thesis statement. Body paragraphs contain a topic sentence, that's your first sentence of a body paragraph, a variety of supporting sentences, usually this is several sentences. Some people will also say that the supporting sentences include major and minor supporting sentences, and often they include examples, facts, statistics, research, possibly quotations, and sometimes anecdotes or personal stories that all relate back to your topic sentence, which relates to your thesis statement from your introductory paragraph. And then you always have a concluding sentence in your body paragraph as well. The last paragraph of an essay is your concluding paragraph. The first sentence of your concluding paragraph includes a restatement of the thesis statement. And what that means is just saying again the same thing that you said in the thesis statement, but using different words. Then in the middle of the concluding paragraph, either you have a summary of the main points that you've written about in your body paragraphs of the essay, or you can include reasons why the writer's point of view is more valid than opposing views, or you also can emphasize the importance of the topic being argued. and then you end your concluding paragraph with what we call a clincher. And that's similar to a hook, which you started your essay with, but a clincher is often kind of a strong comment or a recommendation or a call to action for the writer, or the reader even. Sometimes you can also connect the clincher back to the hook so that it really shows a conclusion to your essay. And that's an essay structure. So now you're ready to begin writing your essay. Good luck!